In this video, we are going over quotient rule. The derivative of this function f of x over gx, which is simply, I just have simplified this expression already. I find this much convenient instead of just following the formulas, and you can use your own interpretation as long as it's providing the same rule, right? I'm just gonna write f of x as a, g of x, this function as b, and simplify this like b times derivative of a minus a times derivative of b over b the square. Okay, let's look at this problem number one. This function y is equal to x over ex, and simply and applying the derivative formula. What is this? Okay, this is simply b square, which is e to the x, and then what we have is b times derivative of a. B is e to the x times derivative of a, which is x, minus a. A is x times derivative of b, which is e to x. Okay, so e to x times derivative of x is what? 1 minus x times derivative of e to the x, which is a natural exponential function. If you guys remember, this is simply e to the x divided by ex square. So it looks like ex seems to be common here, so we're gonna take ex common here, then 1 minus x over e to the x square, and we can cancel 1 out, right? So what we are left with, 1 minus x over e to the x, and here is your answer. Looking at this next problem, this function g of x, let's see what is the derivative of this. Again, what we have a is what, 1 plus 2x, and b is 3 minus 4x. Simply applying the formula here, b is b times derivative of a, which is 1 plus 2x, minus, since we have already taken the derivative of a, so we are not going to take derivative of a, but we are going to take derivative of b, which is 3 minus 4x divided by b square, which is 3 minus 4x square. Okay, 3 minus 4x as it is, and derivative of, this is applying sum rule, right? Derivative of a plus b is what? Derivative of a plus derivative of b. So derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of constant is 0, plus derivative of 2x is simply 2, minus 1 plus 2x. Again, difference rule here, derivative of 3 minus 4x is simply derivative of 3 minus derivative of 4x. So this is going to be, okay, derivative of 3, guess what? It's constant, right? So it's 0, minus derivative of 4x, which is simply 4, as x is power 1, right? So coming in multiplication here, x is 1 minus 1, 0, which is simply 1. 1 times 4 is 4, divided by 3 minus 4x to the square. Okay, we have 3 minus 4x times 2 minus 1 plus 2x times negative 4. Make sure we are paying attention to the signs, divided by this. Okay, multiplying this, simplify this expression. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 4 times 2 is 8x, minus, now make sure you keep the parentheses there so you don't get confused later on. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 2x is simply negative 8x divided by 3 minus 4x square. So this is equal to 6 minus 8x. Negative times negative 4 is plus 4. Negative times negative is plus 8x. Okay. So 8x minus plus cancelling out. We have this answer. 6 plus 4 is 10 over 3 minus 4x square. Okay, I really hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.